Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am once again running late for the gym. So hopefully we don't run into any learner drivers today. I'm going to try and take a slightly different route today because I want to avoid that one road where it's 40 mile an hour and everyone's doing 20. This new route is going to be slightly more high risk, high reward, but oh my god, what is going on? Every time I want to leave the house, there's just so many cars everywhere. Right, I'm gonna go before this van comes out because I was originally gonna the guy came out of the car. I was originally waiting for the van. Right, we're gonna try a different route so we can try and avoid them learner drivers. Gonna hook a right here. Oh, of course we're gonna be stuck here waiting forever again. It's not looking good for me today. It's not looking good. In fact, going straight looks a lot more clear than going right. So I might just go straight and risk the. Oh my god. These cars from the right take so long that the cars from the left start coming. Look at this. I'm just gonna give it gas. Hurry up, man. I'm just gonna give it the juice. See, these cars, they're just so slow. I've already wasted like 3 minutes just sat at the junction, man. Although I probably could have gone a few times by then, but still. Right, we are just going. Obviously, I'm gonna stay under the speed limit. I don't want to break any rules, any laws or nothing. We're gonna drive very carefully, but I do need to get there on time because, oh my god, look at that. Not even looking to the right. A P plate. See, you don't deserve a P plate. You see that? She didn't even look to the right on the roundabout. That's ridiculous. The standard of driving in the UK has become so bad. I don't know if it's because instructors have become lenient or like the test isn't rigorous enough or what, but yeah, it's appalling. Look, all you have to do is look to the right, see no cars coming, and then go. I don't know why people can't do that. All right, let's go. We got some clear roads in front of us. So we'll give it some beans. Oh, never mind. The roads here are so, like, they're wide, but because people park on either side, it's just an inconvenience. Like, just pull up on the curb a little bit, no? Have to weave in and out of traffic. Ooh, is there a window open? It's bloody windy in here, man. What the hell? One of the back windows must have rolled down on its own. Really annoying because I've got a Ford Fiesta, so I'd have to wind them up manually from behind. So I'm just gonna have to deal with the sound of the wind for now, because I'm not pulling over to roll them down. Right. Let's see if this guy is gonna go slow as hell. It's green light and we've been stuck here. We've been waiting. I hate people with like slow ass reaction times like that. Like, even the learners pulled off. Right, finally an empty stretch of road. Gonna give it the beans. Hopefully I don't blow up my gearbox because it struggled to go into fourth there. Oh. See how much quicker this stretch of road is when you're driving at the speed limit. I've already finished it. Before, it would have taken me like a minute, 2 minutes. Or sorry, yesterday should I say, when I filmed the last video. It took ages, but now look. Wow, 141 today. Crazy. I feel like every time I film a new video, you'll just see the prices go up even more every time. Right, there's a guy pulling out of his driveway. Yeah, I'm gonna have to slow down for him. Prick. And now he's, oh my god. If he hadn't done all that, I would have gone in front of the bus, but now I'm stuck behind the bus. So frustrating. I actually would have made it to the gym on time today, but I guess not. Also, 3 days ago I had 200 miles of fuel in my tank. I've got 137 miles now. I haven't driven almost 70 miles in that time. I've done like 12 miles. Don't know what's happening over there with the petrol. Alright, this bus. Oh shit, there's a bike coming. Go get the fuck out of there. Ooh. Right, luck is somewhat on our side today. Hopefully these lights stay green long enough for me to get past them. Yes. Ooh. Wow, yeah, we are getting lucky today, huh? Right, hopefully we don't get stuck behind a learner here. Yeah, that window is fully open. What the fuck? I can just hit, but it's not open. Then neither of them are open. Why is it? Oh yeah, no, this one's slightly cracked. I'm gonna need to go close that in a minute. Also, the seals are, I think my seals are slowly dying, because look, I've got a little bit of mold there, so that means water is coming in just a little bit. Wow, that wind is ridiculous. Why is it blowing my car? I know it's only a crummy Ford, but I thought the wind wouldn't be strong enough to fucking shake the whole thing. Oh, you know what, actually, I lied. You know, this car shakes so much. If you've ever driven on the A406, there's this one stretch where it's 70 mile an hour when you come off the slip road just before Dagenham, and when there's wind, oh my god, my car, I feel like it's gonna swerve into every single lane. So if you're looking to get a Ford Fiesta as one of your first cars, just keep that in mind. It does sway in the wind a little bit. But I guess most cars that you get that are going to be a first car will probably sway in the wind, so yeah. Luckily for me, this one is really easy to control. I think the Ford Fiesta might be like one of the easiest cars to steer. It's just so light, so responsive. Like, Ford really do make it easy to drive this car. Oh, is that the gym manager? Oh, I was gonna give it beans actually, but I just remembered there's police right there. Probably not the best time to give it the beans. Right, now I can give it the beans. Parking instructor? Parking inspector? Enforcer? Yeah, I don't know what he's doing there. Must be getting ready to give people tickets to the hospital. This bit of road design here, traffic, what's it called? This bit of traffic here is the worst, like, road management I've ever seen, by the way. They put a traffic light right after this this exit here, but it's probably the most busy exit on the whole roundabout, so it just causes a problem the whole way around the roundabout because of that one exit. But all the other ones, they don't have traffic lights until pretty far down, but that one, traffic light as soon as you exit. Oh, keep clear. Oh shit, green light. Not paying attention. Oh, now it's gone red. That's what happens when you don't pay attention, guys. That's what happens. Ooh, red Nissan Micra. I've actually driven a Nissan Micra, but it didn't have power steering, so it was really hard to drive. I'm just fucking wrenching that thing. It's like an arm workout in itself. I wouldn't have to rush to the gym every day if I had a Nissan Micra. I already have huge biceps by now. But nah, unfortunately I don't. Also, my first video I put subtitles, but I'm not sure if I like them. Let me know if you like the subtitles for the 2 people who watch the videos. Yeah, I put them in the first one. I had to pay CapCut. I paid CapCut for subscription just to put the subtitles in. So if you like them, let me know and I'll keep the subscription. But if you don't, then I'm cancelling that shit. It's like £10 a month. I'm not paying that when people don't even like them. When you stop at traffic lights, do you guys keep your gear stick in gear? It's a really bad habit of mine, but I just can't be asked to not have it in gear. I'm really impatient as well, so there's a bad example earlier there, but when the lights turn green, I just want to get going as soon as I can, so I just keep it in gear, keep my clutch all the way down to the floor so I'm not burning it out. But it does end up doing fucking up the bearings, I think. So, you know, there's pros and cons to leaving it in gear. Also, if someone rear ends me, I'm going into the micro. Because the only thing stopping me from going into the micro right now is my foot on the brake pedal. Yeah, when it gets busy here, it's peak. Like, the amount of buses just cause so much traffic. Very frustrating. Like, look at these buses here. One more bus there, and we're all fucked. Traffic ain't moving. Look, even more, there's another bus here. To be fair, the bus depot is right there. Whoa, drive shaft noises. Ready? Oof. Yeah, I will get that fixed one day, but until that day comes, you're gonna have to deal with the sound of my drive shaft. To be fair, it's really weird, but it makes more noise when it's raining than when it's dry. Oh, what's this guy doing? He's gonna pull in here. And I'm gonna pull in on the on the right, on the left. Sorry, I'm pulling in on the left, not on the right. All these parking spaces and Buddy picked all the way back there. What a joke, man. Right, if you go to the gym group Romford, don't park on this side, because all the homeless people piss in that corner and they probably end up pissing on your car. But yeah, that's my last tip for you guys. I'm gonna go have a workout. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.